So if V is constant, we are the result is P is inversely proportional to R. But when I is constant, we are getting P is proportional to R. Now when to get I is constant? Yes, in series combination. So this we are applying in case of series, and this we are applying in case of parallel. ठीक है? Why? Because in parallel potential difference is constant. ठीक है? So their potential difference will be same, V will be same. So in that case, when two bulb is connected in parallel, in that case voltage will be same. Yes or no? If voltage is same, then power will be inverse proportional. I mean power will be more with less than resistance. With less resistance. Suppose 60 watt power is there, its resistance will be more. ठीक है? तो less power will offer more resistance in parallel combination, and if you will go with series combination, so more power means more resistance. Why? Because here current is same. I hope it is clear to all. Okay. Next is power is that only. Okay, so this is the all possible formulae on power. I am here writing P is equal to you write E by T, because it is the main term. That power is actually electrical energy consumed per unit time. So P is equal to E by T, that is equal to VI, that is equal to I square R, that is equal to V square by R. So this is the formula based on power. This is the formula based on power. Here by this definition, one more result we are getting, that is E is equal to PT. E is equal to PT. E means electric energy is equal to power into time. Now yes, now you remember, this power is defined in watt and this time is defined in hour. So watt hour is the unit of electric energy. Watt hour is the unit of electric energy. When you will add more power, more watt, I mean 1000 of watt, so 1000 watt means 1 kilowatt, and then it will become 1 kilowatt. 1 kilowatt hour, where 1000 of watt I have taken. So if watt is taken 1000 of watt, then it will be 1 kilowatt. So 1 kilowatt of course is the unit of electric energy. Of course watt hour is the unit of electric energy.